Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial, I guess, where I'm going to be showing you how I customize my desktop completely for free. So we're going to be using free software, some of the free websites, to make our own custom icons, as well as this beautiful background. Now I already have everything customized, obviously, but what I wanted to do is to make a darker theme because my eyes are super sensitive, especially when I'm working, which is usually like past 12 at night. Um, so yeah, let's get started. The first and most obvious thing that I want to change is the background, and the way I do this is I do it with Canva. There's lots of websites where you can download Canva, that's cool, where you can download all those back pictures, desktop background pictures, for monies, and I don't have monies, so Canva is super helpful. So what do I want? Oh, look at that, desktop wallpaper, that's what I want. And they basically let you either choose. I know you can get a free version of Canva if you're a student, but I'm just too lazy to do that, so. Okay, so that's the wave I used in my other wallpaper. Let's see if I can change the colors here. That's awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna rotate that, make it bigger, and yeah, pretty much gonna do the exact same thing that I did for my last one, which I'm just gonna create this like wave visual, I guess. I'm gonna send this to back. Okie dokie, this looks good. And send to back. And send to back again. Alright, well this is looking good, I like that. The reason I have the waves here and not here is because all my icons are going to be here, and I kind of want like a very specific place for them, so that they are not really having to do anything with the visual part of this this whole thing. And what's cool about Canva is that they give you like graphics that are already SVG files, so like whenever you expand them, they don't lose their quality, and that's what makes them perfect for your background pictures, for example. Anyways, I'm gonna play with this idea that I have here, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final result. Okay, well, I'm back. I have this design now. I played around with this color a bit, and now it's like this dirty pink because it's a pink beach. I played around with these colors of these visuals here. By the way, to like get those, I typed in pink fish, which is a great way to search for things. But anyways, played around with these colors here by clicking here and choosing this one specific color, and it's super nice because it lets you know what the document colors are, so that you have a consistent image, right? And with this specific graphic here, this is an image and not a vector graphic that was made in like Illustrator or something. For a picture that's an SVG, you just go to edit image and play around with these settings here, but not the actual colors. And I just went for decreasing the brightness a little bit and changing the color mix. And this is it. This is what my background looks like so far. Let's see what it's actually gonna look like when I open it up in my desktop. Okie dokie, so to save this, I go File, Download. I'm gonna save it as a PNG, obviously, and I'm just gonna click. Actually, now I'm gonna download only the second one. Okay, done. Download. Okie dokie, Untitled Design. I'm gonna right click, set desktop picture. And would you look at that? I think it's awesome. Now, how do we make these? How do we make these for free? I'll show you how to make those icons, how I make those icons, I guess. To get the icons, I usually just Google something like get icons for free. My Google searches are something else. And what I want to do is I want to look for a icon from my downloads folder, because I want my downloads folder to be in my desktop, because I just find it super useful. Alright, so we have a whole bunch of icons here, and the good thing is about this website is you can download most of those for free. It just depends on if you want to make a custom size, you'd have to pay a little bit. So I'm going to click download, and what I found is anything from 90 to 120 works for my icons, so I'm going to just download the 90 by 90 size. Okie dokie, download. This is the icon that we have, awesome. And the program that I'm going to use, because it's black and white right now, or actually just black, and to make it like a circle, make it like look this nice, I'm using a program that's called GIMP, and I'm sure most of you heard about this. It's a free alternative to Photoshop. It's actually really useful, and to go from here to here, that's actually pretty simple, and I'm just going to show you real quick how I do that. Alright, so I'm going to open up my GIMP. I'm going to go to File, Open, my icon that I just downloaded. Somewhere in the downloads. I'm assuming it's this one. Yep, it's this one. Cool. And I'm gonna make a new file with a background color of white, and I would like to keep these a little bit bigger than my icon, so it fits. Awesome. So this is what we got so far. And first things first, to add here is an alpha channel, and an alpha channel just adds like the transparency background behind it, instead of like if you don't do that, the background will be black, and this is not something you want. Now I'm gonna make my guides because I find it super useful. I'm gonna go to Image, Guides, New Guide by Percent, Horizontal, okay, and do the exact same thing once again. Image, Guides, New Guide, Vertical. Okay, now we have these guides. To zoom in and out, I just press down Command and scroll with my mouse or trackpad, whatever you have. So now I'm gonna make a circle because we want a circle, not a square. I'm gonna position. I'm gonna choose this ellipse select tool. I'm gonna position it right in the middle. I'm gonna start drawing a circle, and then I'm gonna press down Shift and Command, and that's what snaps our circle to the very center. I'm gonna expand it to the very outskirts, I guess, of this square that we have, and look at that. That's an awesome circle. I'm gonna go to select invert to select all of these little pieces here that's beyond the circle, and then I'm gonna go to edit and cut, or you can select clear. It's gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna just do cut because it doesn't matter, and now we have this circle, and everything behind it is just transparency, so it doesn't matter. Okie dokie, awesome. I'm gonna click actually, I'm just gonna go to select none to unselect everything, and this is looking good so far. Then I'm going back to my picture, Control C or Command C, Command V, and this actually fits really nicely. I don't think I need to resize it, but if you do need to resize it, here's your resize tool. You just click on the image and, you know, do some manipulations with it, which I'm not gonna do, so I'm gonna click return. And this is looking really good. Okie dokie. So this is now a floating selection, which is not something we need. We need an actual layer. So I'm gonna say to new layer. Okay, and now we have a new layer with just this image here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click alpha to selection, which is just gonna make this like outline of our image here. Then I'm gonna go to the background layer and create a mask for it. It's gonna be filled with black, full transparency, sure, okay, sounds good. Now we're gonna go back to select, and we're gonna invert our selection so that we select everything that's like outside the box. And what I'm gonna do now is, while we on this mask, I'm gonna go to edit and fill with foreground color. Our foreground color is white, and therefore it's gonna fill it with white on the areas that we selected. And this is it. Look at that. This is looking so much better. Okay, select none, obviously, and then I like to decrease the opacity of this layer a little bit so that, I don't know, they'll look cooler, I guess. I'm gonna decrease it to 80 so that we can see a little bit through this layer. And this is it. This is how I make it. I'm gonna go to File, Export as, I guess. I'm gonna save it to the desktop for now, sure. This is gonna be called Downloads, PNG, export. I'm gonna save this project altogether, because what if I need to change something? What if I want this color to be different? I can just open it up and, you know, change the color. Okay, well, we don't need this anymore. Cool. Don't need this anymore, don't need this anymore. And this is our PNG. Look at that. I love this. Alright, let's go look for downloads. Downloads. Okay, that's my downloads folder. Cool. Let's just do this. Drag and drop. Because Mac is that simple / stupid. Alright, so we have this new blue folder. Everybody loves blue folders. I'm gonna right click on it, get info. I'm gonna open up my new icon here. Command A to select everything, Command C to copy. Then click on this little folder here and just do Command B. And voila, it has a different image here. Awesome possum. Alrighty, so this is looking good, and I hope you found it useful. And it's all for free, so go ahead, just do it. It's a fun Saturday project. And I hope you're doing well. Alrighty, bye-bye.